Today we're gonna get some Crazy Guys Laotian style barbecue in Orange County. This is called the Rodeo Public Market, and so this has really good Laotian style food. Let's see what we got. It's a good day. It's a beautiful day.
Good.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow, this is the Vietnamese coffee. Okay, Bruce, take out the Asian knot. That is so easy. So what do we have? We have the Lao papaya salad with badang, of course. And this one's the beef strips. Yes, with sticky rice and Jel Maclin, the tomato salsa, Lao tomato salsa. And then there's the pork ribs comes with sticky rice. You can either have sticky rice, jasmine. I don't know what other choices that she ordered, that she gave. Oh, that is good, honey. Now, can you handle the spiciness, Bruce? This is spicy. Yeah, you'll be happy. You think I'll be happy? Bruce is not happy because it's like super spicy. Cheers. Another cup of coffee. So we're back home and I'm gonna make another loaf of bread as usual. And so here I'm doing slap and fold. You gotta work out after the sticky rice. Oh, too hard of a slap and fold. Anyways. That's my third set of stretch and fold, but I did a slap and fold. So there you go. And rest for 30 minutes. And the last one will be another slap and fold. This will be my last kind of just plain sourdough. I'm going to be making different kinds of, like inclusion and lamination and stuff like that. So I've been reading and looking around YouTube and getting some inspiration. So yeah, so watch out for the next video. So then I'm gonna move on to making pies, because now the summer I like pies. I like maybe a single fruit pies. I like crumbles and stuff like that. So I'm excited for the summer. I have to Google because I'm like, when's the first day of summer? It's the 20th. Yes, it's June 20th. Now we're still in spring, so yeah, cheers. And so I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up for an hour with the Dutch oven pot in there. So it's gonna be I have another 6 minutes. And so I have a raw loaf of sourdough ready to be baked in the freezer. Leave it there for 30 minutes. We have about 6 minutes left. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this time. It's actually not too noisy outside, really. This is beautiful. And this is from Cold Starter. I mean, it was well fed. I fed it like the day before. I put it in the fridge, and so because it was warm in the house, and so I didn't want it to rise very fast, and so I put it in the fridge, and then the next day I want to bake, and so I just measure out what the recipe called for, and then I put the starter in the warm water slightly warm, and so I baked it from there. And so yeah.